So yeah, things speaking about India will never end without cricket. What cricket is? Cricket is just a sport. Yeah, true. Cricket is a sport, and people in India die for it. Die, literally die. And there's a god for it called Tendulkar, and he's the god of Indian cricket. It's true. Like people go crazy, and this is one of the highest. I mean, this sport, that is the number of people that follow the sport is like really big. And this sport, I mean, coming to the sport, it almost looks like similar to the baseball that we have here. The person holds a bat, and the person throws a ball, and this guy hits with the bat. But in India, people go crazy with it. So this is how we celebrate. Look at this person here. He has his paint all over the body, and yeah. Look at this guy here. Yeah, people go crazy, real crazy with cricket. And this is our Indian team, and with our craziness, we won the World Cup. Last year in 2011, and that added to the craziness. God has to know how things went. This is how we celebrate. Look at this guy here in the car. He came out of the car and he's almost jumping. Yeah, real fun. And playing cricket, we don't need any playground or stuff like that. All we need is some place and some good creativity. Look at these guys. They use mineral water bottle and play some cricket. They use that as wickets. Wickets are like 3 sticks that stand behind the player, behind the one who's hitting. So, and I think there's a big curfew there. Like police are roaming around, but we don't care. All we need is a chair and just play cricket. Yeah, this is all about cricket and one non-religious religion that is present that can be only seen in India.
And that which unites India. You can see that from north to south, east to west.
Yeah, all the way. All right. So, lot of religions, lot of cultures, lot of traditions, and one religion that's of course of the big. But yeah. So what makes what makes India unite? What brings us together? The concept of oneness. The ideology of unity and diversity is what binds everyone together. We believe in our country, and that's what makes India just one country. And yeah. So thank you.